Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, this is a new place that all of you haven't seen. So let's get to the video. As you guys know that we bought a new house. I've mentioned this in the previous video. We finally moved in. Unfortunately, we focused on inside of the house first. There's still a lot of things that needs to be done, but as you can see, I'm standing in my garage. There's my blue Bakkie as well, and having a look around. As you can see, it is a complete disaster. A lot of the things in the garage must also be fixed, but that we will get to as time goes by. But for now, we need to get some space to be able to work. So the biggest focus point that we will be having is, first of all, get space so that we will be able to work on the Bakkie. Here's Vianney as well. She's also going to assist. Hi. Hi. Hello. So anyway, I want to create some space so that I will be able to work on the Bakkie, as my Bakkie is currently not starting, and I need to check what is the issue, why it's not starting. So getting to this side, I think let's first get all of these boxes out of the way so that we at least have that space basically, and then that space as well. So now with most of our boxes removed, I also cleaned up here, but basically just pushed most of the things just to this side of the garage. I still have those few things that's left. I also just want to push this side. So I think the best thing for now is push those things back, and then let's see maybe if I can take this cabinet. I don't have to use everything, but for now I would like to use the space that I have. But if I don't use something, it's rather better to just get rid of it if it's taking up space. But only if we can make another plan to put something somewhere else. So yeah, I think the best thing for now is, like I said, our number one priority for now is so that we will be able to reach our Bakkie that side, so that we can actually work on the Bakkie, as there's no space here at all to do anything. So let's get this all, well, that cleaned up, moved, and then let's move this up to that side. I think the best place to put the press is maybe in the corner that side, but I think also we'll do that once the Bakkie is out, because it is dark. It is late already, as you can see out that windows how dark it is. Once again, excuse the walls. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done, and for now we are focusing inside of the house. You can see we've got new doors and a whole bunch of new things as well that we got for the house, but I'm not focusing on this on the videos on the house. On the videos it is car related, so we are focusing on car related stuff like a garage. So I believe once I have this space created, then I don't think I'm gonna use this cabinet. I think I'm probably just gonna throw it away, because there is something else that I have in mind that will replace that shelf. So let's get this a bit tidier. So already we have created a bit much more space than we initially had. Just excuse this corner. This corner we still have to sort out, but at least we almost got this section like it's supposed to be. So while I was busy moving the things, I've noticed that the garage doors has got a big gap between them. Doesn't seem like you can really see there, but if you go outside and you look this side, you'll notice how big the gaps actually are. So there's a big gap. Yeah, it looks much better, much better. Seems like there's a small gap here at the bottom, and then as well as that side, you can also see how big the gaps are. So looking at the doors, you'll notice that there's bolts here, the same as this side. There's bolts there. So all I'm going to do is just loosen up the bolt, probably loosen it up from the bottom all the way to the top, and then just push the door against this panel so it seals proper like that one. Let me just zoom in for you. Oh shucks, sorry, doesn't really want to focus, but there you can see how nice it's sealing. And then this side, you can't really see. There we go, you can see how it's not sealing. So just to get those grooves nicely closed, as I've mentioned, there's a lot of wind that's coming in, and I would like to seal the garage, as I don't want wind and all of stuff to come in and dust to come and lay on our tools and everything that we will be busy with. So let me get that out. So the doors have been sorted. It's sealing currently much better as it did previously. So let's still carry on with what we have to do. So seemingly that we have the shelves empty. Those shelves are supposed to go back in there, and then some of the things that was in those shelves is between all of this. So luckily I remembered most of the things that's supposed to be in there. It's going to be between all of this mess right here. So let's go ahead and get everything that's supposed to be in there back in there. So this is also going to clean up a lot more space here. Should be looking much better. And then it's only going to be odds and ends that's going to be left to be done. So while I'm going to put everything back there, I'm somewhat going to clean the stuff that's going back in it, so that we know it's nice and clean. It's not going to be full of dirt or anything in that way. So let's run into this quickly, get this done. So we currently have done a lot. I'm not going to lie to you. Let me show you. So as you can see, a whole lot of this space has been opened up. Just excuse these things. Some of it's going to be thrown away. That is more like my electronical, when I do wiring or stuff like that. I'm putting everything in there, and that's some of the Audi space, so we'll still sort that out. So this is easy stuff to get rid of or move around or whatever the case may be. And then that has been done. That's still a bit of a mess, but we've got a lot more working space around us. So also just excuse, there might be some things laying around. I don't want to move it too much. That side here as well, and that side. The reason for that is that we're also busy inside of the house with some renovation and changing up some few things. So it will look much better as time goes by. So up next, what I want to do, I've got this board right here. So I want to measure it and then put it here against the wall, so that I can put some of my tools there. For example, like my spanners, shifting spanners, and those type of things, side cutters, just have a nice tool board against the wall. So yeah, I'm going to get started with that, so that we can put that on, and then once again, as time goes by, we will fill the board with some new tools. So this is how far we came so far. So I put this shelf on as well as that side, and then these two shelves as well, and then as well as this board. For some reason it seems like this is like the Italian flag or the Mexican flag or something. I don't know why, but we just painted the colors as it's been standing for a while, and I knew it was becoming dry soon. So yeah, just decided that we're gonna waste it and get it done with. So that actually puts a nice good theme to the board. I've also measured the space. If I take the space from this side of the table all the way to in line with this basically, but there's more space, as you can see, like my Bakkie. This is 2.2 meters and my Audi is 1.7 meters wide. Then if I measure from the door all the way to here, that is 4.5 meters. And my Audi is 4.5 meters. So if you look, like, let's say for example on the inside, maybe here, there is a bit of space that we can still go in, where we can push the nose of the car into. So our Audi can also fit in here. But that means I will have to have all of this space basically cleaned up. So yeah, that I'm going to throw away. That boxes and stuff there I'm going to throw away. I'm still looking to see there what I can throw away. If I can empty all of this cabinets, all of this wiring stuff of mine, let's say maybe into this 2 shelves or 3 shelves, then I will be able to remove that cabinet as well. So I'll also be able to remove that. Then that's gone. So then basically that whole section is gone. This also I'm going to throw it away, as I'm not going to use it or burn it. So that's going to be out of the way. So technically speaking, I just need to sort out this. Let's see, basically say that piece. And then I still need to sort out where I'm going to put the press. I actually want to going to put there in the corner. And then this is actually a Kenwood plaatspeler. I'm not sure what you call it in English. But in any way, so it takes the old plates and then as well as tape recordings as well there at the bottom. This used to belong to my father. So it's got a lot of sentimental value to me. So I would also like to see if I can fix this maybe. See what's working and what's not. If it's going to be worth to fix it or whatever the case may be. So that I'll also like to get a nice place for it to stay. And then what's left to do is to tidy up here. But it's a bit difficult to tidy it up. The reason for that is as there is a lot of things that's still inside of this bags that I still need to do and install and so forth and so forth. So we have done quite a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. So we're probably gonna start with my Bakkie soon, and then there's also another surprise that I have as well. I'm not sure which video I'm gonna launch first. This wall looks very bad. Also needs to be redone, but I mean, we just bought the house. With time, everything will be fixed properly. But for now, we just have to work with what we've got. I'm super excited for it. So anyway, we need to fix my Bakkie as it doesn't start. It does get fuel, but it doesn't get spark. It has been sitting for a while. So we'll just need to figure out what's going on with that. But we'll do that in one of the upcoming videos. As soon as we get my Bakkie to start, we must also go to Vicy to go and get my engine. And then we must also go and fetch my Audi at my dad's place as well. As it's staying there, and then we can bring the Audi home. And then as soon as the Audi is back, then we can start removing the engine, and then we're going to start with our Audi build again. So I am really excited. I'm not going to lie to you. It is late, so I don't want to make too much noise. So I'm going to end off the video. Nats is currently busy inside the house. We are not really tired, but we just don't want to make much of a noise furtherwards. So I'm going to switch off the video, and then I'm just going to pack all of these things away, see where I can put it, and then as well see if I can get that cabinet empty, and then just make some space. So I'll see you guys in the next video, then I'll show you what I've done. You guys must be safe. God bless. See you in the next video. Ciao. I can